Hello friends, welcome to my channel Effortless English for Kids and Beginners. Today we'll discuss birds vocabulary which is used worldwide. So first one is myna. It's a myna. What is it? It's a myna. Next one we have crane. It's a crane. What is it? It's a crane. Next one we have cock or rooster. What is it? It's a cock or rooster. Next one, crow. It's a crow. What is it? It's a crow. Next one, cuckoo. It's a cuckoo. What is it? It's a cuckoo. Next one we have dove. It's a dove. What is it? It's a dove. Next one, duck. It's a duck. What is it? It's a duck. Next one we have Harpy Eagle. It is Harpy Eagle. What is it? It's a Harpy Eagle. Next one we have Golden Eagle. It's a Golden Eagle. What is it? It's a Golden Eagle. Next one we have hen. It's a hen. What is it? It's a hen. Next one we have Kingfisher. It is Kingfisher. What is it? It's a Kingfisher. Kite. It's a kite. What is it? It's a kite. Next one we have Nightingale. It's a nightingale. What is it? It's a nightingale. Next one we have ostrich. It's an ostrich. What is it? It's an ostrich. Next one we have partridge. It's a partridge. What is it? It's a partridge. Teeter and chakor in Hindi. Next one we have owl. It's an owl. What is it? It's an owl. Next one we have parrot. It's a parrot. What is it? It's a parrot. Next one we have peacock. It's a peacock. What is it? It's a peacock. Next one pigeon. It's a pigeon. What is it? It's a pigeon. Next one, quail. It's a quail. What is it? It's a quail. We use it for animals and birds. Next one we have penguin. It's a penguin. What is it? It's a penguin. Next one we have sparrow. It's a sparrow. What is it? It's a sparrow. Next one, skylark. It's a skylark. What is it? It's a skylark. Swan. It's a swan. What is it? It's a swan. Next one we have vulture. It's a vulture. What is it? It's a vulture. Gid in Hindi. Next one we have woodpecker. It's a woodpecker. What is it? It's a woodpecker. Katforwa in Hindi. Next one, bat. It's a bat. What is it? It's a bat. Hawk or falcon. It's a hawk. What is it? It's a hawk or falcon. Next one, stork. It's a stork. What is it? It's a stork. Next one, weaver. It's a weaver. What is it? It's a weaver. Next one we have goose. It's a goose. What is it? It's a goose. Next one we have swallow. It's a swallow bird. What is it? It's a swallow bird. Next one we have robin. It's a robin. What is it? It's a robin. Next one, turkey. It's a turkey. What is it? It's a turkey. Next one we have raven. It's a raven. What is it? It's a raven. Male crow. Flamingo. It's a flamingo. What is it? It's a flamingo. Seagull. It's a seagull. What is it? It's a seagull. Next one we have bald eagle. It is bald eagle. What is it? It's a bald eagle. Toucan. It's a toucan. What is it? It's a toucan. Indian roller bird. It's a Indian roller bird. What is it? It's a Indian roller bird. Neelkant in Hindi. Mallard. It's a mallard. What is it? It's a mallard. Next one we have cockatoo. It's a cockatoo. What is it? It's a cockatoo. Next one we have heron. It's a heron. What is it? It's a heron. Next one we have macaw. It's a macaw. What is it? It's a macaw. Magpie. It's a magpie. What is it? It's a magpie. Next one we have pheasant. It's a pheasant. What is it? It's a pheasant. Peahen. It's a peahen. What is it? It's a peahen. Next one we have hawk cuckoo or brain fever. It's a hawk cuckoo. What is it? It's a hawk cuckoo. Rainbow lorikeet. It's a rainbow lorikeet. What is it? It's a rainbow lorikeet. Next one we have mourning dove. It's a mourning dove. What is it? It's a mourning dove. Next one we have turtle dove. It's a turtle dove. What is it? It's a turtle dove. Next one we have hummingbird. It's a hummingbird. What is it? It's a hummingbird. Okay, that's all. If you like my video, then please hit the like button, and thanks for watching, and share with others as much as you can. Bye.